Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to teach your bird to step up onto your finger. It's all about trust, and you should not force them if they don't want to come onto your finger. You will need one of their favorite treats, which is millet. Guys, if you didn't know what millet was, this is millet. You'll need to let your bird settle in for a few days, get used to his surroundings and get used to. You can just sit next to him, talk to him, like watch videos next to him, read books, do whatever you do, whatever you like to do. You don't just need millet. You could get any treat they like every bird is different and all that stuff. At first, you just want to give them a tiny bit of millet. They might not want to eat it, they might be scared, but in this instance, since my bird is already trained, he is already eating it. And if he does that perfectly, try making the millet stick shorter so you can get used to your hand more. If he does that well, then we can go to the next step. Now, you need to get your finger like this. And if you let him eat it, let him get used to your finger a bit, because this is where he's going to step up to, like this. After that, you'll just put the millet a bit more far away than your finger. So, you'll need to get your finger, the millet, they'll come, and if you put your finger a bit far, if you put the millet in front of your finger a bit more far away, they have to step up to in order to eat it. Just like this. Kiwi, what up? And for them to step up, you want to say something like step up. But instead, I just say, Kiwi, come, in my language. So, Kiwi, wara. Like this. Kiwi, wara. Ako, which means good bird. You need to keep doing this until they get really good. Get perfect. Kiwi, wara. Ako. Kiwara. Ako. After that, you want to hide the millet and see if they do it without the millet. If they do that, then give them the reward. Kiwara. Kiwara. Kiwi wara. Ako. Kiwi wara. Kiwara. Ako. Remember, do not force them to do any of this. If you force them, your bird might lose your trust and lose it, and it's hard to recover from that. It's just really hard. Kiwara? Ako. If it's the start, if you do this at the start, then you might want to do this for a few days every day, and then they'll get really good, and then they'll get thingy. Get familiar with your finger. So yeah, sorry for the delay. Just couldn't use words. And then you'll just like your finger come. And then yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to finger train your bird. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and watch my other videos. Bye!